Hi Nitin, how are you? What's up? Hi man, hi, how are you guys? Good. Gold gave me 1:30 plus our highest of my life. Wow, yeah, that's crazy. Let me see gold. You're doing really good with the gold. It made the all-time high. But 1:30 is crazy, man. I'm happy for you. Let's see what Euro is doing. Most probably my buys for euro would be bearish because it is already on the highs, but now I will be looking for some kind of retracement. Let me just put a ball over here. Euro USD. Okay. So most probably I will be bearish on Euro USD, and if we can get some kind of fair value gap that is forming right now, so I'm gonna enter on the basis of that. Hi, Crypto World, how are you? I'm good. What about you? Technically, it's very indecisive day to be honest. I mean, if you risk today, so risk very minimal. So, let's see from the daily perspective what's happening over here. So, in the daily perspective, you can already see we are already on the highs, but it's still the high of this is still pending to be taken out, and it just was the daily candle already got flipped towards the downside. Plus, we have a imbalance right over here to be filled. That is this one. This one imbalance is needed to be filled as well. And again, if you see, like, there's a lot of imbalance downside, so I am expecting some kind of a retracement. uh let's see on the 4 hour time frame as well. If you see on the 4 hour time frame as well, there was a doji formed right over here, and plus it's kind of preparing down towards the retracement, I would say. If you can put the fib from here to here, somewhere right over here, so might be expecting like 51 to 61% level we can expect. And yeah, uh if you see on the 1 hour time frame, we have already done the breakout of this range. The one, this is 11:30 of candle, and the one 12:30 candle already got flipped. So when the candle gets flipped, so it's a high probability that we will be coming down. And again, there's a lot of imbalance to be filled downside. So most probably I will be bearish on the Euro USD. And let's see if we can get. Okay, we have already got the fair value gap right over here. So most probably I'm gonna enter right over here, short on something like this. So if you are about to take the position, so this could be my position somewhere. Something like this. I'm gonna place my sell limit right over here. But again, I'm saying you, if you are trading anything anywhere today, so just minimize your risk because of the conditions right over we are. So let's see. I'm gonna place my sell limit right over here. That is 1.18499. Okay. All right, let's see. My TP, if it gets activated, my TP would be around here somewhere. Something like this. Good morning, Neil. How are you doing? I will write here, not activated. So this is the trade that I will be planning to take with a very low risk. We have the market structure, we have the beautiful fair value gap, and the daily candle got flipped, plus the hourly candle got flipped. So we see in the Discord, I'm already in the cell. Okay, let me see. Where did I use? Okay, so I already booked 50% of the trade. That's cool. Nice, nice. So let's see. For now it's not activated, but यहाँ पर जब भी हमारी position इस वाली candle पर आती है, so it's gonna go activated. But अगर we get this way वाले का जो अभी recently form हो रहा है, so we will shift the position यहाँ पर somewhere right over here 1.18488 पर. So ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It would be around like 1 pip, 2 pip का फर्क पड़ेगा. So this will be the scenario. But until अगर हमारा trade before activation 20 pips already आ गए, so I don't prefer taking trade then. If it straight away goes down, to the target, we will not be taking the trade then. So it already took the liquidity of the Asian lows right over here. And if we get the good closing of 1 hour below, that has already happened. So we are good because हमारी 1 hour flip हो गई है. So if it means 1 hour flip हो गई, that means that yeah, the momentum is bearish and even the daily is flipped. So it's a good sign of bearish momentum today. The reason begins simple. If you see 4 hour, there is resistance, and in 15 minutes, I get structure shift. So yeah, exactly. It's very simple. Like on 4 hour, there could be resistance for you, and yeah, like we have the good market structure in 5 minutes. But for me, it was like 1 hour. I saw the 1 hour. I had a level break of 1 hour. This candle range, and also there was a confluence that my hourly got flipped, my 4 hour got flipped, and my daily got flipped. So that is a heavy confluence that we can continue to the bearish momentum. But again, see if the okay. So I'm gonna shift right over here. So if we can get activated on the spot. Let's see. Now it's 1.18487. 1.18487. Okay. Let's see if we can get the entry. I don't want the entry to be missed. Because most of the times when the market is just running, then we just miss the entry. It happened, I think, on the last Thursday as well, like that. Okay, so how's euro these days? See, the last week with euro was really bad with me, but again, that was most probably because of the geopolitical tensions and everything with the news and etc. But again, we were back like the last week we were good with euro, but the last week it was really bad. So yeah, I mean, it happens sometimes, after certain amount of winning streak then you get to see some kind of behavioral changes and but that's okay. We got to stick to the plan. The main thing is that. Let's see what GBP is doing. If we see on the daily time frame, the GBP is also somewhere. It's in the slope. If you can see on the daily time frame, we are making some kind of slope right over here. The daily has been flipped on the and the 4 hour as well. We are about to fill the imbalance. Okay. The 1 hour is flipped as well. So if we can get some kind of retracement to 50 to 61% level might be near the small order block. So if somebody would have taken the GPUSD trade, it would be something like this. The entry should have been here, and point is that the stop loss is a little too big. Something like this. Like if somebody has entered GBUSD, then I'm planning to sell in gold in the last low will break in 5 minutes. Gold. This one. So technically, gold has already took the liquidity of the Asian highs. See, if you see on the 1 hour time frame, if you observe the gold, it took the liquidity of the Asia high, and see how badly it took the liquidity and came back within the range, and now it's filling the half wick. So if it like gives some kind of rejection from this certain area and have a good market structure in the 5 minutes as well, so it will be really a good sell then. If you can get again here a good fair value gap or continuation of the market structure, then it will be a good sell. Crazy, we are about to hit the target, but again we never got entered. That's bad. If we got the target right over here, then we will be deleting this position, because the target, it happens like if we get the target that we wanted to have, then it means that we already achieved what we wanted to, so we no more target that area anymore. Do we have some kind of news today? Okay, so at 2:30 we have like a orange folder for euro, that is German IFO. But usually what happens in euro, the orange folder also reacts many times. So just be careful about that. And 7 p.m. we have USD core durable. Okay. All right, let's see. We have orange folders. See now, today there was no news in NY session, like the red folder. Okay, so and we had like a decent movement in euro. So just imagine whenever we have the NY session, like red news, so it consolidates a lot. So that's what I tell you guys always. That just be careful whenever we have news in the NY session, because again, it's gonna like whenever you do break even your trades, and it's gonna consolidate and again go back to the TP. So then it's necessary to give it space always. That's why I just don't prefer doing break even my trades on euro especially, because I know it's gonna go and consolidate, and then ultimately we won't be having any kind of move. Still we have chance, might be. Still 10 pips left to be on the target. 70% achieved in euro. Great. You actually you did good sell, like I think you sold somewhere right over here. Where did you sell? Let me see. 1.18606. Yeah, somewhere right over here. Actually, you did a good entry. Either this candle will enter and can get us activated, or it can just straight away go up and take our SL. Just only two scenarios. Let's see. Still, we are not activated. This will hurt. If it flips, this will hurt again. Wait for candle closing then. Still, it didn't tapped from 0.3. It didn't tap. I don't know if somebody got activated or not because of the spreads and all, but I am not. It retraces 50%, it can flip. Let's see. But also it has completely like almost half, more than half of the imbalance. Also tap train continuation in 15 minutes. Let's see. I think we have the equal lows right over here too. But still, if you see on the 4 hour as well, still we should come more down. I wanted entry in gold, but as it is gold, it didn't give. What happened? Did it just dump or what? Okay. Still, it's in the zone only, right? It's just consolidating for now. I mean, if you have good hands on gold, then there's no good or best asset to trade. But again, yeah, but now this candle or another one should break the low in gold. Yeah, it might break or it just consolidates. Can happen. I think it's a vice versa in gold might be because there's no news today, like red folder. I think it just got stuck. Might be Chad. We don't get any entry in this too. Slow. Yeah, I mean, that's Euro. Euro is the slowest pair, I mean. But still, you got this kind of move, and we see that good. And you only see that when we don't have any news in NY session. I never hold more than 2000 peps in gold, but my member of community today she break the record. Yeah, I mean, and did you saw the trade of Nitin? He just hold it somewhere around 1:30. I mean, 1:30. Can you believe? That was really amazing, to be honest. So do you have like a Discord or what? Like in the community? At this point, I feel I should not enter this trade. I taught her and she did well better than me. That's good then. We are having like a WhatsApp group. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So you're giving mentorship. Like we are having only four members. Actually, they are my classmates. Okay, so you're teaching your classmates. That's nice, actually. That's good. Sleepy watching Euro. Same here, buddy. I'm also sleepy watching Euro. If you're having insomnia, just trade Euro. You will have excellent sleep. Alright, let's see if we can get the entry or not. Like just more 5 6 minutes, and then we're gonna end the stream. If you guys have any question, any doubts, you can just like write in the chat box or you can ask in the community section as well. We are here to solve that and whatever you want. Two boys and two girls, they are topper and I'm like average, but I'm trading its opposite. Yeah, I mean, it happens like that only. Like, if you're not good in studies, then yeah, you're made for something else bigger. But then you have the superiority over them. I think the market goes up. See, if it consolidates for 5 4 minutes more, I'm gonna remove this position because again, I'm not that much interested in this kind of trade because again, it's already consolidating and we already like got the more than 50% and it didn't tap on the the main thing is not it will go up or not because it didn't tap the area that we wanted. It just left by zero point 0.3 pips. So that's the whole case. So even if we got the full TP, we will remove this trade. Gonna wait just for a few minutes because we had a daily open which was gap up and I and tapped in fair value gap 0.5 equilibrium. Um, yeah, I can say, but again, the daily is flipped, the 4 hour is flipped, and even the 1 hour is flipped. So the whole momentum for me is bearish for today. Even it fill the fair value gap or the imbalance, whatever. But still, I believe that it's gonna come more down, at least to the 50% level of the 4 hour range. I believe that. So let's see if we can get that. If not, then it's not. Let's see. See, the 1 hour is about to flip as well. If you can see if the 1 hour gets flipped and we got the here we got the TP, then we're gonna remove this position because we just missed the trade. But the momentum is bearish today until we don't break the trend, until the trend is intact. So until then we are just bearish until we don't get to see any kind of reversal or anything. Gold flipped, euro will go down as gold has flipped now. It made a new high in 5 minutes. Okay, let me see gold. Yeah, I mean, euro, I'm totally bearish today on euro, but let's see gold. Did it made still it's here only, right? It broke above this range. Might be today it can make more, it can go more high. Gold is going crazy. I mean, imagine somebody has holded the position for so long. Like nothing you have to do with gold, you just have to hold it. Even I think the silver also made a new high today. But according to the body, it made high. Okay, okay. Might be a trade, like might be a day that we don't get any trade today. But let's see. So if we get the TP, we won't be taking this trade. How many pips? 8 pips more. See, I told you that it's gonna go more down. Until a trend is intact, we don't have to worry about that. The trend is super intact, and even if you see on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, the hourly candle is flipping. I've also decided to meet a new record in gold of holding 10,000 plus pips. Yeah, you should. You should set a goal. But now you never know what happens, right? So you can't set a goal in trading. It if it happens, then my capital will be like 3x or 4, 5x. How's your funded account going, by the way? If it happens, then my capital will be like 3x. No legit goals or deadlines. Yeah, I mean, of course, you can set like deadlines for anything like in trading. It just takes its time. So you can set like a certain amount that, yeah, you will be achievable in this time or that time. This is the only thing, uh, part of trading. You can't set a time limit for yourself. You just can't. So, first week, it's losing streak, 1% down, but let's see this week. I hope this week is good for us. I hope that. But I'm disappointed with the Euro today, to be honest. It just didn't tap in. By this time, we would have got like 1:1. Alright, guys, then this is it. Let's end the stream. If you guys have any kind of problem, you can just ask in the community chat. If you have any kind of trading ideas, you can just post it out. We can see that. If you have any doubt, discussion. Hi, hourly candle looks nice. Yeah, I mean, if you see the hourly candle, it was about to be flipped. Well, let's see. If we can get the full flip closure below, then we are good to go. See, until the trend is intact, we don't have to worry. If we can get the any kind of reversal, then yeah. But until the trend is there, uh, it will dive more down. Also, guys, I wanted to let you know that from 27th till 31st, I will not be able to come live because I am going out. So might be that I won't be streaming. And but if you guys are free, just feel free to host live sessions on the Discord, maybe in the NY session if you guys want, on the voice chat, and I can look forward to join it if I have some kind of time. But you guys can always do that. But I'm really sorry that I could not join you guys for a few days. Oh, no worries. Yep. Hello, hi. Hi, Candid Capture. How are you? Your fan is back. Don't just hype me like that. Yes, so I mean, if you just feel free to just do voice chat and in the New York session or discussions, and I'll see if I can like join for a few minutes. So I will be there. But yeah, I will be keeping a track of the of the trades on the Discord as well. So I will be posting that, just not the live streams. I like your fan following. I don't have any fan following. OBS ठीक नहीं हुआ हमारा. No, I mean I just switched to Streamlabs, but again they have the issue, so I'm just doing like that. I have no option. I tried switching the apps even, but I don't know what's up. Is there any kind of hidden setting? So then do live in Discord. No, I mean I have to. I mean live is always comfortable on YouTube. Last option for you maybe, but I can't make a track of that. Then it's very difficult to make a track like here. I can expect like new people to join in, but there is like a limited space, and even I can't record that thing and just post it somewhere. So video call पे live कीजिए ना. I mean, to do live it's best on YouTube, right? But then I think I feel more comfortable like this, like it's fine. The most important thing that you guys should understand the logic behind what I'm trading, like whatever I'm trading. So that what matters is most of the time. Chalo मैं चला. All right. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good trading day. Goal is sleeping today. I think I have to go to say good morning. Goal is just consolidating. I told you. It's just trying to make higher high. After it is taking rest as it is running too much. Yeah, I mean gold already made a new high, so it will consolidate. I think our entry is about to get activated, but now I don't know. I'm just looking forward that I'm not interested in this trade anymore. It is taking protein liquidity after it will move. Exactly. Might be it just moves in the NY session. Most probably it could happen like that. Alright, guys, so this is it for the stream, and whatever happens with this trade, I'm gonna update you on my Discord channel. And if you guys have any problem, just you can write in the community section. That's all for today. So Let's trade, let's grow together. All right, see you. Maybe see you after 31st, maybe on the 1st of Feb. So, yeah, that's all.